Okay, greetings and welcome to another episode on your Dr. DIY's channel. So today we have an unboxing works to be done on a product called a pole saw from Greenworks, which is powered by 24 volts lithium ion battery. So what do you get in the box? So you will get the pole saw itself. Okay, it's the pole saw together with its protective cover. Then you will get the bar. Okay, the bar which will be with the controller button, right? And that is where you put in your battery. Then you will get the extendable bar. Okay, you will only get one unit of the extendable bar with the arm string. Okay, or they call it a shoulder strap. Then they will give you oil. Okay, the viscosity is 40W. Okay, this oil basically is for the chainsaw, which you are supposed to put into the inlet. Then of course they will give you a quick setup guide. You can see here a quick setup. Okay, what it can do, how you're going to assemble it, and so forth. Okay, in graphics. Then you will have the manual. You will have the battery itself. This is a 4 ampere battery by Greenworks, 24 volts. Okay, it's a lithium ion battery. And then you have a charger for this battery, and the charger comes with two types of plugs. One is the 3-pin plug and one more is the 2-pin plug. Okay, so that is what you get from the box itself. However, I have purchased an additional pole, okay, so that it can be further extended, and I purchased a spare chain. Right, so these two are additional, and it comes with a free gift, safety goggles and also safety gloves. Okay, this is just a quick info. There are two versions. Okay, the first is the 24 volt extendable pole saw, and the second version is the 40 volt. Okay, 40 volts extendable pole saw. If you purchase the 40 volt, it's going to be slightly expensive, and you will get another attachment, which is, they call it a hedge trimmer. You get this guy. Okay, how it looks like, it is like this. It's a hedge trimmer. Okay, so you have another type of attachment, you can see there, right, whereby you can detach your pole saw from here, and you can put the hedge detachment at the tip, and you can perform works such as straight cut on your trees or your grass and so forth. Okay, so this is the 40 volts. So the product we are reviewing today is the 20 volts. So generally this product comes with a 2-year warranty from Greenworks, okay, on the product itself, and the battery and the charger, it is a 1-year limited warranty on the battery and charger. So if anything happened to the battery or charger, they will not repair it, they will change it, 1-to-1 replacement within the warranty period time. So some of the technical parameters of this extendable pole saw is given in the label here. Okay, the model is 20127, 24 volts. The bar length is 200 mm. The speed of the spindle is given as rated 3450 per minute. Okay, and it is a license from Sweden technology. However, it is made in China. Okay, so the operating sound they claim is 104 decibels, right? So just to share with you, if you purchase this extendable pole, okay, one of this extendable pole, the length is 81 cm. Okay, I've already measured from the end to end is 81 cm, right? Okay, so now we are going to attach the pole saw. Okay, we're going to assemble it. So this is the pole saw itself. So we are going to assemble with the first extender. Okay, so it is just a plug and play. Okay, and it only can go in one direction. Notice there is a positive negative pin here. You don't have to worry which side to be in, because if you look at the cross section, okay, only one side can be fitted in, because on top is bigger, down is smaller. So in this case, you simply just rotate about its axis until it perfectly fits inside. In this case, it goes in, push it in until this white color bush touches the black color bush, and then just bring this and you screw it in. Screw it in until it's completely screwed, and then you repeat it for the extendable itself. Okay, so in this case, I'm gonna do the same thing. So I've already done, and then the last is the controller system itself. So just turn about its axis until it can fit in. So just clip this at the metal ring. The red color lever is to be clipped to the metal ring, and the other end is to be clipped at the bottom part of this controller. So it's just a simple clip. Okay, so now we are going to fill up the oil reservoir for the chainsaw. Okay, so it will be self-lubricated during operation. So what we can do is, this is the cover. You open up the cover. So this is given by the supplier. It is you can use engine oil of viscosity 40W. So you fill up. The bottle is sealed for your information. So you fill up such that you can see the level oil here. So this is minimum and this is maximum. So you fill up slowly. Okay, so it's already full. Make sure you have a cloth below here, so if any oil droplets do not dirty your floor, and you firmly screw it in. Just bear in mind that this screw, there is a rubber gap there. So make sure you tighten up accordingly so that the oil will not spill when you turn this thing. Okay, so this is how the chainsaw looks like. So it is an 8-inch or equivalent to 20 cm. So as the chainsaw turn, it will lubricate automatically by the lubrication supply. Okay, and the tension of the chainsaw can be adjusted with this lever. So currently it's locked. So if I happen to loosen up, so the tension now is loose. So in order to tighten up, okay, I just have to tighten back this lever. So during time or over time of usage, when this thing comes loose, so this is how you do it. So you turn firmly, right, until it locks, and you are good to go. Okay, so we are going to install the battery. The battery should be fully charged. How to know the battery is fully charged? You just press the button at the back here, and then you will see 3 solid bars. So this is fully charged. So just take the battery, gently slide it in such a way that you will hear a tick sound. So this is already locked. In order to unlock the battery, press this and pull it out. Okay, so once the battery is assembled, this is how long the item will be, right? So we are going to do a measurement. Okay, so the end-to-end length of the pole saw with an additional one extendable pole, which is purchased separately. So it is roughly, or it is at 335 cm, or is equivalent to 11 feet. Okay, end to end with the battery attached. From this end, right, till the tip of the pole saw. So the whole thing sitting down on a weighing scale, okay, vertically it is at 5 kilograms flat. So basically there has a safety feature. You cannot press this, you have to push this lever down and then you can press it. So it's a constant speed. You cannot control the speed by this guy. If you press, the speed will be constant. Okay. So this is without any extendable pole. So it is 186 cm. So meaning which you just have the controller straight away connected to the pole saw. Okay, there is no any extendable pole, so you are getting 186 cm. So in other words, 186 cm, you just add another 81 cm if you are adding one extendable pole. So if two extendable pole, you add another 81 cm. Okay guys, so today we are going to trim the tree. Okay, we are just going to trim the branches. I will show you how to use this pole. Okay, so we are only using the pole saw and the controller. There is no any extension. Okay, we will start with this first. So I've already attached the battery, and we take out the casing. The oil is full, so we are going to do the cut now. To make it a round, we want to try and see whether can we use this. So it is not recommended to use such a saw because this is only for trimming or for cutting. Okay, so we have removed part of the tree. We have cut it at an angle, okay, because we want the tree to fall at the right hand side. Okay, so now we are going to proceed by just making a cut this side. If we make a cut this side, the tree will fall and it might damage the blade of the saw. So there you are. Branches, okay, as you can see, the chain is loose. Okay, so we need to tighten up the chain. We loosen up this guy. Just gently move this out. and tighten it back. Okay guys, so we want to see the mechanism inside here, so you just unscrew this anti-clockwise such that this white color cap comes out. Okay, so this is how the mechanism looks like, right? So when you loosen up, basically you need to pull the chain, you need to pull this guy so that the chain will not be loose. Okay, so when the over time this thing will come loose, so you got to pull it out. That's why you have an adjustment here. So if you take it out, this is how it looks like. Okay, and you can see there is a hole here. This hole is for the oil to come out to oil the chain. Okay, so all these debris need to be cleaned. So there's also a mechanism here to turn using a screw, okay, a Phillips screwdriver, so that you can also adjust the chainsaw tension. So if that is the case, we fix back the chainsaw. Alright, make sure the chain is in the groove of this black steel plate. So this is how is it. Okay, so in order for us to tighten up, we got to turn the screw at the below here. Okay, but now the chain is fully in good tension. We cannot be too tight because it will break the chain. Right, so having said that, now we can gently screw it back because we are going to do 2 more cuts. So you just turn clockwise until it becomes tight. So this is fully tight. Okay, so you can see. Okay, after we have done, so we do some maintenance work. Just take it out. Okay, we just brush this off, take out the debris, and we put it back. If you have an air compressor, it will be good. Make sure not to blow any air inside here because this is the, you will force the dust into the oil reservoir. Okay.